Welcome to our coding tutorial where we're diving into the world of custom route matchers. In this video, we'll explore a function called wildcard match. This function will be the core of our wildcard path matcher. It's designed to compare a pattern with wildcards, which are represented with asterisks, to an input string to see if they match. First up, we need to make sure that our pattern is regex ready. In regular expressions, special characters have specific meanings. To use them as ordinary characters, we need to escape them. However, we want to keep the wildcard character, the asterisk, as it plays a crucial role in our matching process. To achieve this, we first replace all special regex characters in our pattern with their escaped versions. But we don't touch the asterisks yet. Notice how the replacement string, $, adds a backslash before each character that matches our regex. This effectively escapes them. After escaping the special characters, we then take care of the asterisks. We replace each asterisk with the regex asterisk, which stands for any number of any characters. This transformation allows the asterisk to act as a true wildcard. With our pattern now correctly transformed into a proper regex pattern, it's time to create a regexp object from it. This object will enable us to perform the actual matching operation. We build our regexp object and anchor the pattern to the beginning and the end of the string using the caret and $, respectively. This ensures the entire input string must match our pattern from start to finish. With the regexp object ready, we now reach the crucial step, testing the string against our regex. This operation will give us a true or false result, signifying whether the input fits the pattern. Finally, we return the result of the test. If the string matches the pattern with wildcards, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. This simple yet powerful function gives us the flexibility to match URLs with dynamic segments. And there we have it. Our wildcard match function is complete and ready to be deployed in our custom router or any other application that requires flexible pattern matching.